Friends, engineers and workers, there is one very important line petroleum inspection and maintenance. Due to breakages of conductors, every year there are numerous accidents during rainy season. Hence, a special inspection shall be arranged of the ST and LT lines after windstorm, heavy rains, thunderstorms, etc. The purpose of such inspection is to detect any damage or breakage on the lines and to effect necessary repairs to avoid electrical accidents and other hazards. This is very important maintenance. Along with all other periodical maintenance, I have already recorded and video posted. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to all of my these videos prepared on periodical maintenance of 11 kV and LT lines to avoid accident. Thank you.